Update ng grapes. Eh, malaki na sila. It's my grapes. It's big na. It's 3. Malaki na sila. Yung isa ko, tinanim ko sa kabila. I have another one. This another one. I put in the ground direct. Siya. Grapes yan, grapes. Ito siya, gagapang. And they climb here. And they climb there. They are healthy. Grapes.